Well, a good Monday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome everyone to my home in the sticks. Hope everybody's having a good Monday and a good start to a new week. But I'm here to tell you, here in East Central Mississippi, nothing but rain. Before we get started on today's video, I'm always going to say that if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over here, I sure enough thank you for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is I'm going to give y'all a little update. Going to be a real short video, but let's get to it. So give me a second. That's what we finna do's. I'm here to tell you for the last 7 days it has been raining. It's probably gonna start raining here in a second. It's clouded up real good. And it is just a mud pit over here at the home in the sticks. I'm here to tell you, a lot of rain. But what I've done, or what I was planning on doing today, is trying to get down the fencing, the deer fencing around the pea field. I've already took my solar charger down, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to get to it because it is gonna be raining here in a few minutes. It's rained pretty good, I'm here to tell you. I think picked up maybe 6 or 7 inches the whole week. So yeah, what can you do? Nothing really, not with the rain. Everything's at a standstill with the rain. But I've already disconnected everything. Rosie's over there inspecting everything just to make sure I did it right. I got the main part disconnected. Here's my lead to go to the fence, and here's my grounding lead on that grounding rod. So I need to take all of these T-posts down and roll all of this poly rope up. Don't think I'm gonna be able to get to that today because of the rain. And on top of that, it's been lightning real good, so I don't want to be out here pulling T-post in the rain, especially when it's lightning. But the main reason behind today's video, if I could do it, was I want to show you a tool that I got a hold of to actually get these T-posts out of the ground. I don't have a front end loader on my tractor, so I have to do it manually. Hopefully by Wednesday or Thursday, the rain will stop and I'll be able to get out here and start pulling all of these T-posts and getting this wire down. So yeah, it's gonna be a really short video today. Don't really have much going on. Dad and I been basically just hanging out in the shop because it's been raining every day. Not a whole lot I can do when it's raining. I wanted to get out here and actually start cutting some grass when I had a break in the rain. You could probably hear somebody in the background running a lawnmower right now. I myself, on the other hand, I'm not gonna try it because I know if I get up here and get to cutting grass with that heavy zero turn, I'm gonna end up sinking, and I'm gonna have to get the tractor to get out there and pull my zero turn out wherever I get stuck at. One thing that I did get accomplished, or I did get fixed, is my mule. I've been without my mule probably for the last maybe 8 months, and I have finally gotten it back. See, that's how much rain I've been getting over here. But I finally got the mule back. I had to get some work done on this thing, and anybody that has a farm or a lot of land, or just land period, you and y'all know how important one of these things are. These things are like indispensable as to what I can do with them, do with it over here on the farm at the home in the sticks. But, oh, there's the rain already coming back. You hear it? But long story short, we had that really bad ice storm over here in East Central Mississippi, and I think a lot of stuff froze up possibly, and the temperature swings, condensation built up in the gas tank, so I had a lot of water in the gas tank and a lot of water in the fuel filter, and my charging system was having some problems. So I have somebody local that actually worked on it, got it back a couple of days ago, so we are good to go on that. I'm glad to have that thing running because, Lord, I used the heck out of it. All right, so again, I hope everybody's having a show enough good Monday, and I hope everybody stays safe this week amid this crisis that we still have going on. If y'all like this video, go and give it a thumbs up, they help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home and Sticks channel, Lord of mercy. Y'all need to come on over here and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff, or trying to do stuff. That being said, you know it's coming down reference. Sure enough, I always gon' say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. I mean nobody, you sure enough get your shine on, it's important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.